What is up, everybody? Jammin JD Sports Cards back with another break, and today we are doing a product I absolutely love. 2020 Panini Chronicles Football. We're doing a hobby box. As I said, I love this product. I don't love the price it's selling for right now, though. $650 is what you'll find it for at the big retailers. But you are getting quite a few cards, 8 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Total of 48 cards there. You're looking for 3 hits, 2 of which will be autos and that 1 mem. 4 numbered parallels, 2 silvers, Prism score update or whatever else they got in there. 6 Optichrome rookies, 6 clear acetate rookies, 13 other rookies. So you just got a lot going on in this product. As I said, it is a fun break. The price is just crazy at the moment. And here is the box we're gonna be cracking open. If you want a fun rip that doesn't cost quite as much, the blaster boxes right now are actually still fairly reasonable. You can get them for about 30, 35 bucks. And it is a fun break as well. So let's go ahead, bust this open. See a fun variety of cards. There you go, empty box. Pack 1 of Chronicles. I did some retail of this, but I actually haven't busted open a hobby box. I put it to the side and saved it until we came back to breaking. And here it is. Jarvis Landry, your base card. Juju. And, oh, we got our first Prism Black, and it is a silver. Clyde Edwards, fantastic. CEH Prism Black Silver. Dude, that's a beauty. Love that card. Got to sleeve that up in a second. T. Higgins. Gabriel Davis. First numbered card, Joshua Kelly, 98 of 99. Nice. Another Prism Black. Not a silver, but it's Tua. Beautiful. What a great first pack. And look at Clear Vision. Acetate card. See the logo in the background. I love acetate cards. You don't see them as often as you did like back late 90s. Good stuff. All right, pack 2. Didn't even have a hit in that, and it was a great pack. Jordan Love, AJ Brown. That's going to be our first hit. We'll throw it to the back there. Denzel Mims, Jalen. Nice. There's a cool card. CD Lamb, SSD Momentum, 102 of 199. That's fabulous. All right, and then we have Chase Claypool. Nice legacy rookie update. You can also find Chase Claypool rookie cards in 2021 Elements. I don't know if some of you guys noticed that, but it's pretty hilarious. That's cool. Donruss rated rookie, CEH. And the auto is going to be T Higgins. Oh, wow. That, my friends, is a sick looking card. Holy cow. 5 of 5. Shining everywhere. Put your sunglasses on. Goodness gracious. I can't stop looking at it. It's mesmerizing. Like literally, that is a fabulous card. My goodness. I love that. Man. Can't look away. All right. Justin Herbert. Base rookie. Let's get back on track. Stephon Diggs. Ooh, we got another hit going on already. Jeremy Chin. Look at that. Another Herbert. Sick looking card. I like these. CeeDee Lamb. Ooh, Dynagon. Oh, I miss you, Dynagon. Such a fun set back in the day. James Robinson. And it's beautiful right here as well. Another CEH. Seem to be pulling a lot of him right here. Stephon Diggs, and the next auto, oh boy, is it going to be, Chase Young, 95 of 99, Prism Black. I call that a color match right there. That's fabulous. What a box this is. This is a winning box. It got to marinate for, I don't know, 6 months. So that's great. Beautiful. We still have 3 packs to go. Man. Keenan Allen. Jim Kelly. Look at that. Score update silver Tua. Nice. What a box. Score looks good like this. Henry Ruggs. T. Higgins. Chenault. Chase Young. And a Zach Moss acetate momentum. Last 2 packs. Bummer. The break's going to come to an end. Michael Thomas. Mike Evans. Derek Carr. Brian Edwards. J.K. Dobbins. Chase Claypool, and that is numbered 16 of 49. DeAndre Swift Dynagon. Darnell Mooney, Clear Vision. Time for our last pack. Should have a hit in here still. We'll go ahead and swing these forward. Ooh, we got some more color going on. LaMichael Pirine. And nice. Justin Jefferson. That's going to be numbered 24 of 50. That's beautiful. Sweet. Zach Moss. J.K. Dobbins. Blackman. The last base cards, we got Ray Lewis, Cam Newton, and our last hit is Brandon Ayuk, 82 of 299. And that is not from any specific game or event, just a basic red jersey piece. But that's cool. What a fantastic break. We got some awesome cards out of that box. That T. Higgins, though. Boy, oh boy. The color on that. Love it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Hit that little notification bell so you know when our next video is. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can email us, jamminjdcards@gmail.com, or just hit us up on Twitter or Instagram at jamminjdcards. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.